Today's topic is going to improve your life.
Welcome to Washington America Show with international multimedia journalist, multidimensional, multifaceted artist and director of Human Rights Justice Council USA, Dr. Kashif Sohail.
Facebook Shop is completely different from Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is a platform where you can sell or rent small day-to-day items like cars, apartments, laptops, etc. You need not be a certified seller to sell here, but a common Facebook user can list products here. This is generally carried out on the basis of the location the seller belongs to.
Facebook Marketplace is a great alternative to setting up a Facebook store if you're just looking to sell on a few items you don't need anymore. It works in a similar way to sites like Craigslist but is accessed via your Facebook account.
Facebook shops make it easy for businesses to set up a single online store for customers to access on both Facebook and Instagram. Businesses can choose the products they want to feature from their catalog and then customize the look and feel of their shop with a cover image and accent colors that showcase their brand. You can enter products for sale directly to your Facebook shop for free. Facebook has clear instructions that walk you through every step, including how to connect payment providers. For payments, you have the choice of PayPal or Stripe.
Facebook Shop is a combination of social and e-commerce platform which allows professional Facebook business page owners to sell their products to the Facebook audience. This innovative socio-e-commerce feature is the best fit for merchants, retailers, and online sellers who can list their products under a wide variety of selling categories. Facebook shopping is a collective term from the perspective of an online customer who can browse and purchase products directly from their Facebook account.
Facebook shops have different features depending on your location. They can be valuable to you because you can distribute your products broadly. When you have a Facebook shop, your products may appear in the marketplace for more people to discover them. You can also use a Facebook shop to host products for shopping on Instagram. There's no limit on how many products you can add. Organize your products into different collections so your customers can browse your shop by category. Customers can message your page with questions. You can see views, clicks, and purchases for each of your products.
How do you set up a Facebook shop using Facebook? First, make sure you've set up your Facebook business page. Add a shop section to your page. Now add your products. Manage your products, add sizes and other product details for your customers to browse. Set up your payment options. Set up your shipping options. Save.
Two easy ways to start selling. If you have an online store or want to set one up, using Facebook is an easy and effective way to boost your sales. Facebook Shop is a page which you can sell your products through to reach a wider customer base. Facebook has over 2 billion active users every single month. That's too many potential customers.
There are two ways to sell on Facebook. 1. Use Facebook's platform itself to create your Facebook shop, list products, and set up a shopping cart to connect payments. This is a more basic way of selling. 2. Use an e-commerce website builder to create an online store, then automatically link your products to your Facebook shop. Option 2 is recommended. It's better to use an e-commerce builder to sell through Facebook. Not only is this option a lot simpler, but it gives your online business a much more extensive online presence. By connecting your online store to your Facebook store, you get the best of both worlds.
How to create your own Facebook shop. To create a Facebook shop, here's option 1. Create or log into your Facebook business account. Now create a Facebook page as per the business name. Move to the page template and select the shopping template. Go to Settings Templates and tabs at it, choose Apply Template. Select the checkout method, select the currency, accept the terms and conditions. The Shop tab appears on your business page. Add description and products manually. As soon as you add one product, the shop gets approved. Select checkout method. You can choose to redirect customers to your website for checkout. Your brand new Facebook shop is ready.
Option 2. Link your products listed on your website to the Facebook shop. The recommended option to create your selling presence at the Facebook store is by doing this. Create a website based on any of the e-commerce frameworks. List your products there. Create a CSV file of your products. Look for a Facebook shop integration like said Commerce. Install the extension in your e-store. Create your Facebook shop, connect the two and perform attribute mapping. Your website's product starts appearing in your Facebook shop. Manage the whole workflow from a seller-friendly automated platform. In the future, if you wish to sell on any other marketplace, you can easily do so now.
E-commerce website builders have specialized features and functions to maximize your business's online presence. If you create your Facebook store directly through Facebook, there are limitations for you and your customers. These include a lack of syncing in payment types, as well as lower quality product images. By connecting e-commerce websites, like Shopify website, to your Facebook store, you can avoid these frustrations. You'll appeal to the same wide audience while keeping the advanced e-commerce features that come with using a specialized builder.
By using a website builder to connect your Facebook store, any purchases will automatically come out of your inventory. This will make managing your store a lot easier. You can either keep your checkout on the Facebook page to keep the user journey as simple as possible, or you can direct customers to your own website's checkout to introduce a wider range of payment type.
Facebook shopping basically focuses on selling apparel like home furnishing products, clothing for kids and adults, fashion accessories, and many more. Through this, Facebook has successfully created a perfect e-commerce ecosystem for sellers and customers to interact and result in a successful purchase.
Some special features of Facebook Shop include no limit on the number of products to be uploaded. Organized selling by allotting products in categories and collections. Stay updated with all the latest stats of product visibility and sales. Interact with your customers for improved selling experience. A perfect customer engagement platform to gain new and unique customers. Low-cost selling as compared to other e-commerce platforms. Advanced targeting tool to reach a refined audience. Easily monitor and evaluate your selling campaign with stats and infographics.
Few requirements for selling products on the Facebook shop. In order to start selling on Facebook shop, you require a Facebook account, a business page on Facebook associated with your account, a Facebook page. Your products need to be physical, no digital products allowed, comply with Facebook shop merchant terms, have a business registered in the country you are selling, a valid bank account linked to your name and country where your business is based.
The ideal practices to sell on Facebook Shop includes: upload multiple high-quality images, add attractive product description while listing, regular promote products on your FB timeline. Your Facebook page must be your brand name. Keep your pricing competitive and affordable. Instantly respond to feedbacks and queries. Keep inventory up to date with no products running out of stock. Checkout redirects customers to your store. Use SEO-optimized content to improve your product visibility. Persuade your customers to provide a positive review.
Seller selling on Facebook Shop must ship the package within 3 business days from the day the order is received. The order must reach to customers within 10 days from the order placement date. By default, your product visibility is set to the country you belong in. You can adjust your shop visibility to the target audience. To set a target audience to sell on Facebook, go to Settings. Click on Page Visibility option. Click on Edit. From here you can easily adjust your target audience.
Facebook Shop has the potential to dominate Amazon, eBay, and Walmart. Facebook Shop is the fastest emerging marketplaces in the world. Today, in this fast-paced world, a user needs to get all at one place, and by combining social platforms with e-commerce, Facebook did a wonderful job. It's just a matter of time since e-commerce giants like Amazon, Walmart are in business for decades and the Facebook Shop is new to the business. But by looking at the features and comfort provided to its users, the Facebook Shop has the potential to dominate e-commerce in the near future.
The Facebook Shop is the future of e-commerce, and smart sellers must start migrating to it in order to get a strong hold on it when things get wild. In the efforts of simplifying the process of listing products on Facebook and provide sellers with an automated platform to sell, few companies have launched Facebook Shop integration.
Please share the video, subscribe to our channel.